Hello everyone, Habibi here. In this video I'm going to create a 3D model of railroad, but not a realistic railroad. What I'm going to make is a toy-like railroad, toy railroad, and I will use this railroad on my Unity development as a railroad on my Unity game. Okay, what I'm going to do for the first step is to create some line. Let's say, hang on, I will create a cube first as a reference of a human. It will has a height of 1.7 meter, for example. Now I can create a line. This line as a horizontal line. I don't know what they call it. If it is a railroad, this one the metal part, and what is this part? Sometimes it is wooden, sometimes it is concrete. Anyway, I have these two lines. Let me switch to top view. I will attach this line to that line. I will merge them, attach. Now I can make it a bit longer like this. Yeah, I will bring them here, and let me resize this one. Okay, and then I will enable this checkbox, enable in render in viewport, and let's set it as rectangular. Then the length, I reduce it 0.8 maybe. Let me bring it up. This way. And now for this line I will do the same thing, rectangular, and I will make it little bit wider and reduce the length. And bring it up. Or no, this is fine. I select both object and bring them up. I don't need this reference anymore. Let me delete it. Now it's time to duplicate this green object. Let me bring it here. I bring it here. Now I will duplicate it by pressing shift button and drag and bring it here, or here. Release the mouse, and here I will type a number, let's say 50. Click OK. I have it this long, this much. I remove the excess like this, and oops, I bring it that way. Okay, now I need to merge every object here as one object. I convert the line as an editable poly and then attach each of that blocks. Yep, and this is our base model of railroad. I set the pivot to the center of the object this way, and then place it at the center of the world. Okay, and here I need to again edit the pivot, and I set it to be here. Turn it off, and okay, done. The base model of my railroad is done. I can just set its color to dark gray, and I name it Railroad 1. Now I need to duplicate this railroad several times, for example 10 times maybe. Click OK, and now let's play around with modifiers that I have in this 3D Max. I would like to use bend modifier, this one, and I need to bend it, but I need to set its axis. Oh no, the center. I need to set its center to be here. Exactly at the beginning of the railroad. Yeah, I don't need those ones. Let me just work on the first duplicate. Now I will try to bend the object by increasing the angle. No, not this one. I need to set the axis as the Z, maybe Z. It is right now on Z axis. What about just try one by one? Okay, this is what I wanted. but the problem is this straight railroad, the iron part, it doesn't has any subdivision, so it looks like this. So weird. I need to reset it. Then maybe I need to remove it first. No, don't remove it. I'm going to duplicate the railroad, and this one I remove the modifier. I will add more resolution to this part. I choose the edges like this, then I choose this connect button, I choose the settings, then here I need to increase the number of the yep, let me type 50. Is 50 fine? I think it is fine, and I click the check mark. Okay, now I will duplicate or copy the existing modifier from this one to this object, and I don't need it anymore. I delete it. Let's try to bend it again. For the angle, what if I bend it 45 degree? It looks like this. Fine, I'm happy with this one, and I duplicate it here. Okay, and I will set it -45. The next duplicate should be, the angle should be, what about 2 times of 45, which is 90, the extreme turn. Yep, I like it. And of course I will need the second duplicate of it, and I set it to +90. Okay, I think I have it enough here. Now it's time for checking the name of the object. Let me rename them one by one here. Railroad 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, I have the railroads object, and I will use these objects in Unity. I can build my railroad based on these objects. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time on my next video. Bye bye.